Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell stops limit on Binance. So let's get started. So to sell that, you have to follow this easy step. So then you have to go here, search for your Binance, then go to binance.com. Then you have to click on the three dots, go into this trade or go to futures, and then from here you can see for your stop loss. Here we can see spot. So from here you can just sign up or log in, and then from here you can put the stop limit and it will be done. So this is how to stop the limit on blue like Binance. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.